how to make and create photo collage Instagram post on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Canva and log into your account. Now go to the top corner and click on create a design. Search for Instagram post and click on it. Now on this page, all what you have to do is now scroll all the way down until you find the collage option. Where is it? And yeah, here is it right here. Now click on see all and choose any collage you want from here. For example, this one, as you can see, it's so professional. You can change the photos, and also this one, you can change the photos and everything from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.